Well, we're talking about quantum sense and how we can convey that or evangelize it to the masses. How can we get the masses to really get what you mean by quantum sense?
Well, and that is the operative question, and I think the answer is to evangelize the story of the universe, to teach it in schools, to make children aware of it very early on. And this doesn't desecrate anyone's religious experience or any other kind of spirituality, including atheism. What this does is allow us to remember our common history so that we know that we're inextricably and intimately related with everything. And we'll start making decisions then based upon what's best for the whole instead of what's best for this group or that group.
Or what's best for 7 generations in the future?
Yes, exactly. The idea is that having quantum sense allows us to tap into a deeper, a richer experience of the universe itself.
I would completely agree with that. What did I say?
That's exactly it. The idea is that we're not separate from this miraculous unfurling of existence. We are it. We are what the universe is doing. And we can tap into that in a way that we haven't known before because we haven't been able to bring it into empirical science. And now we can. And we're at that place. And lots more is going to be revealed. I am saying that, and never before have we been able to say that without the highbrow and the woo-woo factor coming forward. We know it's true. We know it's scientific.
So you actually are surfing quantum waves before the physical waves come into manifestation.
That's right, and that's the beauty of it, because everything is a picture of everything else. That's why I love surfing so much, because it's such a wonderful metaphor for life.
It is.
Tell me, Herby, why? And I said, because you are having a deep, loving, abiding, wildly romantic relationship with gravity. That's what you're doing as a quantum object and as what the universe is doing. That's what you're doing, and that's why it's such a dance.
And if I'm taking the meaning of your book correctly, you're saying that we can wed science and spirituality again and bring them back together. Is that right?
That's right, and I think that's what's happening, and that's what modern mathematics, particle physics, physics equations and hypotheses are bringing us into acute awareness about. That spirituality is one metaphor to look at the nature of the universe. Science is another metaphor, but they are indeed two sides of the same coin, of this same inextricable wholeness that we are.
So true. So true.
This story of the universe is not connected to any ideology or any culture. It is all of ours, and it is all-inclusive, and it does not desecrate anybody's belief systems because all belief systems fit within this largest of contexts. The idea is that they're held as metaphor and not fundamental as truth, and that's the distinction that's very important. What I'm saying is that the inner expansiveness that occurs with understanding the vastness of our being is just, there's no other way to frame it besides saying this is quantum sense. It has to do with understanding the foundation of existence as well as the entire context of the universe. Question about
I tend to forget, don't you? Okay.